discipline and motivation. That's everyone people want to be rich. Everyone people dreams about financial. Everyone people freedom. Everyone people a big house. Everyone people want to nice cars. But everyone people comfortable life. But very few people are willing to do one thing that actually creates wealth. Discipline, but people not motivation, not luck, not talent. The people discipline allow. Because discipline is the evil force behind very successful person. The first, the truth about wealth. Many people believe money is created by opportunity, but they think successful person were simply lucky. But if you want study the lives of wealthy people, you will notice something interesting. They are extremely disciplined. They wake up early, but they work when they feel tired, and they continue where everyone else quiets. Discipline allows them to do what most people refuse to do, and that is exactly why the most people suicide. The second, discipline versus motivation. Most people wait for motivation, but they say things like, I will start when I feel ready. Why? I just need more motivation. But why? But motivation is unreliable. Why? Some days you feel excited, other you feel tired and lazy. If your success depends on motivation, you will fail. If your success depends on motivation, you will fail because motivation despairs. But discipline doesn't not. Discipline means doing the work even when you do not feel like it. Discipline means staying focused while everyone else too distracted. Discipline means choosing long-term success over short-term comfort. Yes. The third, the mostly people, small habits create big wealth. Yes, wealth is really created overnight. It is built slowly through daily habits, saving money regularly, learning new skills, working consistency, improving every single day. Yes, these actions may seem small, but over time they create massive results. Think of discipline like planting seeds. Everyone disciplined action is a seed. At first, you see nothing, but with time, patience, and consistency, these seeds grow into something powerful. The fourth, the discipline advantage. Most people struggle with discipline. Yeah, they waste time, they procrastinate, they chase entertainment instead of progress. But the moment you develop discipline, you gain a massive advantage. Why? Others are sleeping, you are improving. While others are complaining, you are building. While others are distracted, you are focused. The difference may look small in a single day, but over month and year, it becomes life changing. The fifth, discipline beats freedom. Yeah, honestly, discipline gives you freedom. At first, discipline feels restrictive. Waking up early, working hard, avoiding distraction. But these actions create opportunities. They build skills, they build confidence, they build wealth. And actually, that give you something most people never achieve. Why? Freedom. The freedom is to choose how you live your life. The sixth start today. The most and the discipline is not something you are born with. It is something you build. One decision at a time. Wake up early, work a little harder, focus on little longer, avoid distraction. Every small discipline action strengthens your mindset. And slowly your life begins to change. The last message and final message for you, imagine two people starting from the small same palace. One chose comfort, the other chose discipline. At first, their lives look similar, but after 5 years, the difference becomes enormous. One person stays stuck, the other builds success, wealth, and freedom. The only difference is discipline, so remember this. Discipline may feel difficult today, but it creates the life you want tomorrow. If you want to become rich, successful, and powerful, start build discipline today because discipline will make you rich.